The Tesla Model S, produced from 2012 to 2021, uses a liquid cooling system to regulate the temperature of its battery and drive unit. Maintaining proper coolant levels is crucial for optimal performance and longevity. This video will guide you through how to safely and effectively add coolant to your Model S. Low coolant levels can trigger real-time alerts via the vehicle's touchscreen or the Tesla app, indicating a need for a refill. The Tesla Model S features a closed-loop thermal management system that uses liquid cooling to regulate temperatures across critical components. The battery coolant loop circulates a 50-50 mix of deionized water and ethylene glycol through the battery pack, using a pump and radiator to maintain optimal temperature. Separately, the drive unit loop cools the electric motor and power electronics to prevent overheating during operation. Both systems typically share a single reservoir located under the hood near the windshield, though some older models have separate fill points. This closed-loop design minimizes evaporation and contamination, ensuring the cooling system prevents overheating and maintains efficient operation of key components. Selecting the correct coolant for your Tesla Model S is essential for maintaining optimal performance and protecting your vehicle's components. Tesla requires a specific type of coolant that meets their exacting standards. The approved coolant is a precise 50-50 mixture of deionized water and ethylene glycol. Deionized water prevents mineral buildup that could damage the system, while ethylene glycol provides freeze and boil protection. Special additives are included for corrosion protection, particularly important for the aluminum components in Tesla's battery and motor systems. Tesla's coolant is a proprietary formula based on ethylene glycol, and it's typically colored orange or pink to distinguish it from generic antifreeze. This specialized formulation ensures compatibility with the vehicle's closed-loop cooling system and prevents contamination. Using generic antifreeze instead of Tesla-approved coolant can lead to serious problems. It may cause foaming within the system, trigger unwanted chemical reactions, or create electrolysis that damages aluminum parts. Most importantly, using non-approved coolant can void your vehicle's warranty, leaving you responsible for expensive repairs. Start by parking your Model S on a level surface and turning it off completely to ensure safety during the refill process. Next, locate the coolant reservoir under the hood, typically near the windshield. It's identifiable by the radiator symbol on the cap. Check the coolant level in the reservoir. The fluid should be visible between the min and max marks on the tank. If the level is low, slowly add the Tesla-approved coolant while the system is cool to prevent pressure buildup and ensure proper mixing. Finally, run the vehicle for a short drive to circulate the coolant. Then recheck the level to ensure it's correct. The cooling system operates under pressure, reaching up to 15 to 20 psi. Never open the coolant reservoir when the vehicle is hot, as this can cause severe burns from pressurized hot fluid. Always wear protective gloves when handling coolant. The fluid contains toxic chemicals that can be harmful if ingested or absorbed through the skin. Work in a well-ventilated area during the refill process to avoid inhaling fumes. If spills occur, clean them up immediately using the proper steps to prevent environmental contamination or harm to animals. Keep an eye out for coolant leaks, indicated by puddles under the car or a persistent low coolant warning on the dashboard. High-mileage vehicles over 100,000 miles are more prone to leaks due to hose corrosion. If you suspect a leak, visually inspect hoses and connections in the engine bay for cracks or damage. Trapped air in the system can cause overheating, so bleed the system by opening the bleed screw to release air bubbles. Refilling coolant is a straightforward task for experienced Tesla owners who are comfortable with basic maintenance. You can save time and money by handling simple refills yourself while maintaining control over your vehicle's care. However, Tesla strongly recommends professional service to prevent warranty issues or system errors, particularly because the Model S uses a closed-loop cooling system that requires precise handling. Consult a Tesla service center if you feel uncomfortable performing the refill yourself, or if you suspect there's a more serious problem like coolant leaks, hose corrosion, or issues in high-mileage vehicles. Remember that mistakes during DIY coolant work can result in expensive repairs, potentially costing up to $10,000 if they cause motor failure or other damage. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your Tesla Model S running efficiently. Check coolant levels every 12,000 miles or annually to ensure optimal thermal performance. Current trends in EV thermal management are shifting toward more efficient and integrated systems that require less manual intervention. For enhanced performance, aftermarket solutions like cooling system additives are becoming available for Tesla owners. Looking ahead, future Tesla models may use advanced cooling technologies such as dielectric fluids or phase change materials, significantly reducing the need for manual coolant refills. To protect your vehicle's warranty and performance, always use Tesla's original equipment manufacturer coolant for any maintenance. Following these maintenance practices will help ensure your Tesla's thermal system remains reliable for years to come.